Scream. Scream. Not the famous painting. I think there was a list with the not two, but the 10 most famous paintings in the world, and Scream is in there. Munch. This is the movie, the famous movie, which went on to Scream 5 or something, close to the Fast and the Furious series in number. And yes, there is something interesting in there. But then, so is this guy. I mean, why not hear him scream? Which he does, unless we use this weapon. It's just water, and even that is not coming up. And look at the movie. It is interesting in that it has some of the known elements and increasing tension. Perhaps this is also original to some extent in the fact that, for instance, there's Drew Barrymore early on in the first scenes, and she has this phone call. The caller would be threatening through this medium quite often throughout the movie. And let me just have them in there because they're more interesting to watch. Plus they're good props for the scream, because one of them at least is screaming. The blue and gold is the screamer, Balzac. The red and green is a perfect companion, Puccini. Anyway, so she's getting this call, Drew Barrymore, her character, and I'm gonna kill you. This is not a quote; it's just the gist of it. And let's have some horror movie here in the horror note on the horror movie. And she dies within a minute, I think, and that's surprising. You expect Drew Barrymore, especially when the film was made, which is 20 years ago, so near the peak of her career, to stay there. I mean, when you have a star, you don't kill the star in the first few scenes, unless of course you come with memories. She dies, but then you see her how she was a child and so on. But no, she's not returning, not as a ghost, not as a... And then you have, for the 3 viewers who have reached this far, I will keep from mentioning anything connected with the end, but then within a minute I will have no viewers left, so I think I can have the spoiler without the alert. There's a clever whodunit also, in the sense that maybe you expect something, but at least I didn't think it's going to be this scheme, which on the other hand might not be so relevant. I mean, the film is not about let's see who is behind all this, let's find the killer, serial killer. It's more about they keep coming near the truck which is filming, with the woman who is the reporter, and some humor within it. But it's not exceptional. It's just in my case, it was there on one of the film channels quite a few days ago, in fact, and I didn't say anything about it because I didn't think it's worthwhile. And since yesterday was a dry run without a movie really, then I had to say something about this one.